Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Select Settings and Support option. And then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Accessibility, Display, and Language option. Tap on it. Among these four options, tap on the very last option, that is Data Uses. Scroll down until you find Video Autoplay option. Tap on it. Among these three options, tap on Never to turn off video autoplay on Twitter. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.